YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I'm doing a giveaway. So I'm giving away these brand new pairs of Airpods Pros. If you guys can see that. Airpods Pros are brand new. You guys can see the flap right there. And I'm doing a giveaway. So I'm doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I was going to do it right when I hit 10,000 subscribers, but just didn't have the time to upload and all that. So I'm currently at 10,400 subscribers and just want to, do this giveaway to show my appreciation. I know a lot of you guys have really supported me with liking, commenting, sharing my videos, tagging me on Facebook, telling your friends about me. All these different things you guys are doing to support me and to get my name out there. I really appreciate that. You guys don't have to do it. I'm not forcing anybody to do none of this, but you guys have shown support. You guys, seem to really like my content and videos, and I just wanted to give back to show you guys how much I appreciate you. One of my videos that I uploaded that really took my channel to the next level was the wholesale video. A lot of you guys shared that video. A lot of you guys liked the video and commented on it. And honestly, I didn't think that video was going to do good at all. Just me talking about the deal and all that. And it is currently the highest viewed video of my channel with over 100,000 views. So a lot of you guys shared that. A lot of you guys liked it. YouTube pushed it out, and I do want to say thank you for that. And just wanted to do this giveaway, guys. The only downside to this giveaway for some of you guys who aren't within the United States, that doesn't mean you can qualify for the giveaway. I'm trying my best. When I hit 20,000 subscribers, hopefully I can do some kind of giveaway where it'll be worldwide and I can ship, to different countries and stuff like that. But I just want to be as safe as possible with this giveaway. And so if you aren't living in the United States, I do apologize first of all, and then stay tuned for the next giveaway. It's going to be something to where I can ship to different countries. So to qualify for this giveaway, it's not much you have to do. All you have to do is like the video, and all you have to do is comment. So all I need you to do is comment why you subscribe to my channel. Just a brief sentence or two as to why you subscribe to my channel. I like getting feedback on that particular topic, just because it helps me with making more videos. So if you like my vlogs, and if I see that enough, then I'm gonna start doing more vlogs. If you like these kind of videos, so just give me some kind of feedback on why you actually subscribe to my channel, and that's all you have to do. You already subscribed to me. Like the video, comment why you subscribe, and that's it. I'm gonna, maybe a week, I'm gonna do a random drawing where, there's a website where you can pick, it'll pick a random comment based off of the video. So, that's all you have to do. And you guys can win a brand new pair of Airpods Pro. Again, guys, just wanted to give back. I know I say thank you a lot, but you guys don't understand how much I really appreciate it. Some of you guys have said some things to me that, really have put me, in different moods as far as if I'm down and out, and I am a lot of the times. I'm not going to even lie to you guys. There's some days where I'm just not feeling it. Get a message from you guys about how I've helped or how my videos have helped you guys make this amount of money, how it, brought a different light to your mindset. All these different things that I'm getting from you guys, it really, I'm really thankful for that. I'm really thankful that you guys can share that with me, and that I can actually get some feedback and know that I am doing some good. I am helping some folks out, and that's all I plan on doing by creating this channel. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, do the things to qualify. All you have to do is like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the giveaway video.